In this short tutorial video, I am going to show you how to connect PayPal to your Review Trust account. First, log into your Review Trust account. In the sidebar menu, click on the account settings. Scroll down below into the shopping cart section and click Add New Account. Enter a name for the account. On the vendor drop-down, choose PayPal. Click Save and an API URL will be generated for your shopping cart account. Copy the URL. Log into your PayPal account. On the right side of the top bar, click your profile account name and click Account Settings. On the sidebar, click on Notifications. Click Update on the Instant Payment Notifications. If your PayPal account's Instant Payment Notification is not yet used, it will look like this. Click Choose IPN Settings. Paste the IPN URL generated by Review Trust. Click the Receive IPN Messages and click Save. Now go back to Review Trust to create a product campaign. Enter the required information. On the shopping cart drop-down field, select PayPal. This drop-down will show all your PayPal accounts. Select the account you created earlier and continue creating the campaign, and you are done. If your PayPal account is already used on another IPN, it will look like this where it is currently active with a notification URL. Click on Edit Settings and copy the existing notification URL. Go back to Review Trust and edit the PayPal account you recently created. Paste the copied URL from PayPal into the API forwarder field in Review Trust and click Save. Copy the URL of the PayPal shopping cart account from Review Trust and replace the notification URL in PayPal with the one you copied from Review Trust. Make sure to enable the Receive IPN Messages. Click Save, then proceed on creating a product campaign as instructed on this video.